Alright, finally, we get to find inverse functions algebraically. So basically, these steps are going to be just like what you did back in Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. So just like in Algebra 1 and 2. You don't really have to use the horizontal line test to see if it has an inverse function. You can, but that's if you're given a graph. You know, if you're not always given a graph, then you can't do the horizontal line test. So basically you do steps 2 and 3. I'm not going to make you verify that your function and inverses are functions by seeing they equal x. So if you find an inverse, you find an inverse. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this equation here. And your first step, we are going to we're going to take our f of x minus 4x minus 9. We're going to switch your f of x and make it a y. Oops, negative. Your second step, what you have to do is you have to exchange your x and y, and then you have to solve for x, or sorry, solve for y. So at this point now, you're just going to solve this equation for y. So in order to do that, we're going to add 9 to both sides, add 9. And you get x plus 9. I hear a 9er in there. So then let's divide by negative 4. Negative 4. So when you do that, those cancel, and you get a negative 4 is underneath x plus 9. Usually you don't want to leave the negative in your parentheses or in your denominator, so we're going to move it up to the top. Make your x negative, make your 9 negative, and make your faux positive. So this is equal to y. So your third and final step means that we want to rewrite your y equals negative x minus 9. We have to denote that it is an inverse somehow, so we need to change your y. We're going to turn this big boy into an f to the negative 1 of x, and that is equal to negative x minus 9 all over 4. So there you have it. There is your Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 way to find an inverse. Done.